From the last training, we saw the importance of having our own products created. Aside giving us 400% profits on each of the products sold, we also saw that it saves time and also helps with our branding. Now, because of the time involved and the funds, resources required, the amount of money required in creating products, especially software products, the fastest way out, or the faster way out, is to use PLRs. Now, PLR, that's public label rights products, doesn't have to be of low quality. They are like premium quality PLR products, white label rights product that you can actually get access to. But many of you, or many of us going through this training program, don't even really know what PLRs are, and that is the purpose of this particular section of the training. The question is, what are PLR products? I'm going to give you a breakdown, a complete guide, so that you will become very, very much familiar with PLR product. Now, PLR products are content products, and when I say content or products, I'm talking about ebooks, I'm talking about softwares, I'm talking about videos, and even talking about services that are licensed to the buyer, and the buyer now becomes yourself or myself to use in their businesses as if it were their own. Now, when I say as if it were their own, it means that everything can be totally rebranded, the name, the logo, the links, everything, and everything completely rewritten, even some code added to it for software product, that the product now becomes almost totally different from what it initially were when you bought it. It now becomes branded to your own name, to your own business, as the case may be. So that is what PLR is, and PLR, they come in different formats, as we are going to see later on down this training. Then also with PLR, you the buyer, myself, we don't have to pay any form of royalties at all, no form of commission, and we don't even need to credit the seller of the product. Nobody needs to know that we got it somewhere at all. Once you have purchased it, it becomes your own forever, based on the license that comes with a particular PLR that you bought. Now, the thing is that PLR, or white labels, are typically sold to several persons, and be sold to one person depending on the scenario on ground, or it could be sold to 100 person, 200 person, 300 person, even to 1,000 different persons. So this is what PLR products actually are, and what you really need to know about PLR, so you don't have the time to create your own products, especially softwares, which will come in the range of between $1,000 to like $50,000 US, depending on the kind of software you are creating. Or say you don't have the time for a video product, or to even write your own ebook for your business or for your brand. The alternative are PLR product, and PLR product becomes licensed to you, the buyer, and nobody ever needs to know that you are not the initial product creator. So thank you, and God bless. When we come for the next video training, we are going to be looking at the types of PLR product. So see you in the next tutorial.